What happens when you die? First, what is death? Death is when your heart and your brain no longer work. You can't move, speak or think. The doctor knows best when someone is dead. Once you are dead, the body will start to decompose, which is kind of like food going bad. First, everything in the body's belly will come out. You could say, everyone poops and pees in their pants after death. Ha ha ha. After that, the body will slowly become stiff and cold. This can take a few hours. When someone dies, other people decide where the body goes. Sometimes the body is burned, but it could also be buried, which means putting the body in the ground. Once the body is in the ground, it will really go bad. The skin and other flesh will disappear first, and after about 50 years, even the bones will have turned into earth. Some people believe your energy and thoughts stay alive when your body dies. They think your mind goes to another place while your body stays behind. So that's about it for what happens when you die. Do you know anyone who is dead? Until next time, when we're going to talk about finances, bye.